If you're not using AI to invest, then you're missing out. The Streetbeat investing app is one of the most innovative platforms available to the public that lets you utilize AI to make better choices when investing. This video is going to walk you through how to sign up for the app, what the information is needed, and the necessary steps in order to do so. So let's get started. So what is the Streetbeat app and why should you consider signing up? The Streetbeat app uses AI that offers powerful trading strategies and exclusive data that was once previously reserved for large institutional funds. Now people like you and me have access to these powerful tools that help us invest smarter and can do a lot of the heavy lifting. With AI, you can create personalized strategies using advanced generative AI, proprietary data, risk appetite, and investment goals. Streetbeat not only adapts to the market changes, but it also anticipates them. Streetbeat's new AI-powered feature called Smart Pilot adjusts your portfolio based on the market news for more informed decision making. It offers transparency and control with the option to opt in or opt out. If you would like to learn more about the powerful tools and capabilities of Streetbeat and all it has to offer, feel free to check out the full in-depth video that I created and recently published. It will be linked down below in the description box. Now we're going to show you how to sign up and receive a free sign-up bonus. The first step is going to be to click on the link down below in the description box and download the app. Then you're going to want to create a Streetbeat account. But before you click on get started, make sure you click on promo and enter in the promo code Kevin in all capitalized letters to receive a 1-month free trial. After that, you'll want to select your country and you'll need to select your subscription. The access to the app will cost $12.50 per month, or you can pay $120 for the year. Do remember though, you do get the 1-month free trial when you enter in the code Kevin. After that, you're going to enter in some basic information about yourself, such as your phone number, your name, address, date of birth, citizenship, employment status, funding source, annual income, value of liquid assets, and lastly, agree to the terms and conditions. And now you can create an account using brokerages such as Robinhood or directly open an account with your Streetbeat account. You can also open an account as little as $50. That's it. It's as simple as a couple minutes to sign up for the Streetbeat app and gain access to some helpful features. If you're curious how Streetbeat and its features can help you with your investing journey using its powerful AI and exclusive data, check out our other video that will be linked here. Tell me down below in the comments, what app do you currently use to invest? We'll see you guys in the next one, and this is Kevin, your financial tutor, signing off. Peace. Kevin Financial Tutor is a client of Streetbeat and is compensated based on a fixed monthly fee and user signups. All investing involves risk, including the possible loss of money you invest, and past performance does not guarantee future performance.